Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey for the first time, why don't you subscribe? Become the newest member of the Slashed Squad. Today we're gonna do kind of a shop with me video, but it'll be a little bit different because we're doing it at home. So I just tried out this new service from Amazon for the first time called Prime Wardrobe, and it is completely free with your Prime membership. Basically what it is a try-on service for clothes on Amazon, which is awesome because buying clothes without trying them on can be so hit or miss, and no one likes the hassle of having to return things. So with Prime Wardrobe, there's a whole category within Amazon Fashion where the clothes are eligible to be shipped to you completely free. You get, all of your pieces to try on, and then you only pay for what you keep. And you send everything else back. It is completely free with your Prime membership. You don't have to pay for shipping to you or shipping back. And you don't get charged until you decide what you want to keep. A couple things to note, you only have 1 week from the day that your Prime Wardrobe shipment arrives to decide what you want and send the rest back. Otherwise, you will be charged for everything, so don't make that mistake. And also, even though this is an Amazon Prime service, the shipping to you is not 2-day shipping. So even though it is free, it actually took about a week for my Prime Wardrobe try-on package to arrive. And they include everything to make it super easy. The bag is resealable to stick back in the mail, and then they give you your labels here, so it's just super streamlined, and I think it's a great idea. So this is the first time that I tried it, so I thought I would do it on camera, try on the clothes, decide what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, and yeah, so I was doing some fall shopping. We'll see how these picks turn out. All right, this is the first item that we're trying on. It's from an Amazon brand called Daily Rituals, which I actually ordered a few things from. And it is kind of like this t-shirt dress. I just love the olive color. I think it's very fall. And here in Vegas, it really doesn't get cold until November. So sometimes fall fashion, you still have to incorporate lighter clothing. And this is just a really nice jersey material, super comfy. I like the silhouette of it, very simple. If I wanted to keep this, it would cost $18, so not very bad, but yeah, it's just very comfy. Let me zoom you down. So here's how the dress hits me. It's right above the knee, which I think is the perfect length because I can definitely wear this just bare-legged because of the weather we have here in Vegas, or I can throw some tights on underneath to really get that fall vibe once it does start cooling down more. So I really like this. I love the color, I love the feeling of the fabric, and it's just comfortable, so definitely gonna be in the keep pile. Now, something I just remembered, so I need to point out, you can't treat Prime Wardrobe like a rental subscription. Like, you can't get the clothes, wear them out, and then return them and expect it to still be free. Like, you have to only have tried on these clothes at home to decide if you want them or not. If they show any sign of wear and you try to return them, not gonna work. So just to point that out, that this is not a rental subscription. It is purely so you can try on Amazon clothes before you buy them. All right, next item. Okay, so this next item is also from Daily Ritual. It is just a long sleeved V-neck kind of t-shirt situation. It's $16 now. That seems kind of expensive for what it is. I feel like I can get something similar for this like at Walmart or Target for a little bit less. I will say that it is very comfortable, and I have been looking for basics like this just to, fill in some gaps in my collection. This would look really cute with just some like dark wash jeans and maybe some boots. So I do like this. I really like the material, and it's not like see-through or anything. I'm gonna come back to that. I also put on some new jeans. Let's check them out. So these are some Jessica Simpson jeans. They are 44.62. This is a size 29. I am like in normal sizes. I'm a size 8. So they fit really well. The rise on them is like normal, just like kind of right under the belly button. And they have like a stretchiness to them. It says Flawless Flex right here. So they are super, super comfortable. I really like kind of the medium wash. I've been trying to work that into my wardrobe a little bit more because mostly I've just been wearing dark washes for a little bit. I like how it cups the butt. I really like the back side. The one thing that is almost a complete deal breaker though, these are fake pockets. Stop with the fake pockets. Women's clothing designers, we need pockets. So that is a legit concern of mine that actually makes me furious. Although these just feel really nice, this is so annoying. I have another pair of black pants that I love, but I almost never wear them because they have no pockets. Okay, so anyway, they do have this ripped detailing, but on the inside, the rips are all reinforced with patches, like on the back, so you don't have to worry about these getting any bigger as you wear them. So that's something that I thought was a really, really nice touch to, you know, just make these long-lasting jeans. So despite all of the great pros that we have with these jeans, this is like a con that I don't know if I can get over. What do you guys think? Should I keep them? Should I return them? I mean, they do have back pockets, and typically I'll put my phone in my back pocket anyway because I have an iPhone X, so that wouldn't fit in a front pocket. But you know, it's just nice to have that for like coins or just small things, just kind of shove in there. So I don't know. Oh, this one's kind of real. It goes down like ½ an inch. Great, thanks. Thanks, Jessica. All right, next item. Okay, so we're staying angled like this because the next article of clothing that I ordered to try on were these leggings. It's actually a 2-pack for $22 from the same Daily Rituals brand. Now, I love that these are high-waisted. They feel super comfortable and super supportive. I think that they are a really nice material, and they are completely seamless as well, which is a nice touch. However, I wear leggings as pants. Don't at me, bro. And these leggings do not pass the squat test when, you know, checking to see whether or not they get sheer when you start bending over. So unfortunately, these leggings are gonna be returned for me because I wear leggings as pants. I can't risk my booty being out there for everyone. But if you wear leggings mostly underneath other clothing like that's longer, like dresses, then I think these are a great option, especially if you do want a little bit of tummy control because of the high-waisted. I think they're nice leggings. They're just not meant to be worn as pants. Now, on the other hand, these leggings would come in handy for something a little longer that covers the butt, like this top. This one is also from Daily Ritual. So this is just like a pullover, hooded, very thin sweater, and it is $28. It's a little bit pricier for what it is, but it is very comfortable. Again, the fabric that this company uses, both for like the dress and the white top as well, it's all very soft and comfortable. I also just like how it kind of hugs me. It doesn't cling on to the wrong curves. It just has a really nice silhouette. Everything looks very streamlined. But yeah, I'm really liking this, especially like I said, it takes a while for it to get cold here in Vegas. I feel like it's actually coldest after the new year. You can kind of layer up, but you do have some coverage, but it's on the thinner side. So yeah, I really like this, and I could definitely wear it with leggings, but not these ones because they're going back. But yeah, I just really like the silhouette of this. So this is probably gonna be a keep for me. All right, the last thing I'm trying on are these Levi's. They're in the 721 high-rise skinny style. They're a size 8, and on Amazon they're $35.99, which is a pretty good deal for jeans. Now, I've been trying to find a good pair of high-waisted jeans for me. The problem is I have a long torso, which means my waist is actually like right here. And as you can see, these are actually cutting me at my belly button. So it's really hard for me to find high-waisted stuff that cuts me and looks right, because when it cuts me at my belly button, it's just like a really awkward place. It's almost one of my wider areas in my waist, and that's clearly not the point of high-waisted jeans. For the most part, like top of thigh down, these are really cute. I like the wash. They are comfortable. From the thigh down though, right here in this area, because it's hitting me and cutting me at such an awkward area, it's just not comfortable, and I think it makes this just look weird. Those are gonna be returned, unfortunately. I was really hoping that these would work out. I just need like something extra high waist. I guess that's what I have to look for. Okay, everyone, that was my prime wardrobe try on. So I think out of everything, I'm only gonna be keeping the 2 tops. So this hoodie, the white long sleeve, and then the dress, which was like my favorite thing that I tried on. I'm gonna be returning all the bottoms. I think for leggings, I'm just gonna have to go in store because then I can do the squat test like in a fitting room. And then with the jeans, I think I'm gonna start looking for like extra high rise and then reading reviews to see if they really have pockets. So basically what happens now is I log on to my Amazon account, and then it asks me, am I done? Have I decided what I want to keep and return? And I just punch in what I'm keeping, what I'm returning, and then it'll charge me for what I don't send back. So yeah, super easy, a really cool way to try on Amazon clothes without the commitment. Just remember to do it within 7 days, otherwise you do get charged for everything. But yeah, let me know what you thought of the clothes that I tried on. I will leave leave links to everything in the description below if there's something that you think you'd be interested in trying on or just buying outright. If you liked this try on video, hit the thumbs up button. I'm definitely going to be doing more in the future. I just got a Zaful haul that I'm going to be sharing soon. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, become the newest member of the Slashed Squad. If you've done that, high five, but have you hit the bell icon so you know every time a new video goes live? If you don't turn on notifications, YouTube decides what's on your subscription page, not you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!